Okay, so let's talk about how you get your shinyApps.io account for creating your course project. You want to go to www.shinyapps.io and then /Coursera. The RStudio folks want to get some numbers on how many people are coming from Coursera and have somewhat of a special login process, but it looks identical to an ordinary shinyApps account otherwise. Then you just want to click on Create an Account. You can pick to link your account to GitHub or Google. Since you already have a GitHub account for the class, you might as well just use GitHub. When you click on it, it will have an access request from GitHub, and if you're logged into GitHub, it will automatically log you into your shinyApps using your GitHub login. So it takes you to this page and it says, "Hi, you must be new here." And it talks about needing to install shinyApps in our package. And there's this handy little getting started guide that you should click on right here. The first thing it wants you to do is install DevTools. If you've made it this far in the class without having to install DevTools, I'm quite surprised. However, nonetheless, you can get DevTools directly from CRAN with installed up packages. I would say if you're in Windows, I'm not sure if this DevTools requires it, but I would also install RTools, which is the collection of Windows executables that has a bunch of Unix style commands to help you build R packages. So let's assume you have DevTools installed. Then with DevTools you can install directly from GitHub, and that's what this command right here says: install DevTools : install _GitHub RStudio shinyApps. That will install the shinyApps package. You should also have Shiny installed, which you can get directly from CRAN as well with installed up packages Shiny. Then going back to shinyapps.io, you'll probably have noticed this secret key and this little two buttons right here. One will show you your secret key and the other one will copy it to the clipboard. You want to click on copy it to the clipboard, and that'll copy a set of commands. You want to go back to R and paste those into the command line. Now deploying your app is staggeringly easy. You want to make sure you've done library shinyApps, that you're in the directory with your Shiny application, that you've done run app and made sure that it works locally, and then now it's time to deploy it. You simply type deploy A app, open parentheses, close parentheses, and if you've gotten your secret key typed in correctly and you've created your account correctly, then it will deploy the app on the Shiny server. It'll actually take a little bit of time where it goes through a bunch of checks and things like that, but then you can then check on the shinyapps.io website to make sure that it's running. So here's the result from my account when I typed in deploy app for that simplest app that was in the GitHub repository for the class. You can see here, get my pen, you can see here that it is that app named simplest app. Then right here you have a couple of things that you can look at. The dashboard is shown right here. We'll click on applications in a second, and then accounts is all account settings. So I have one app running, I have 0 pending, I have 0 archived. Now this one that's running, let's look at our applications by clicking on applications and see what it says. Okay, so here is the name of that app that's running. That link will pop open a new window and actually show you the app as it's running. It gives you it gives you your status and so on. And over here, it can show you the ones that are running, pending, and archived.